Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to find and export video footage from HiLook NVRs. First step is to find the targeted camera from live view. Then we right click and this menu pops up. Then you choose the playback option. By doing that, it takes you to playback page, and in there you have a list of cameras where the targeted is already ticked, a calendar where you choose the day, and a timeline where you choose your time bracket to export the footage. In the timeline, you can slide the player indicator to find your exact start moment of the footage you want. Remember, by scrolling your mouse, you can also zoom into the timeline for bigger time increments to find the specific start of the video footage that you're trying to export. Once you've found that point, you hover on the main picture and a little menu bar pops up where you need to choose the clip. On this little window, you have start time and end time. The start time is already sitting where you put your playing indicator, and that means the beginning of your footage. The end time is the end of the selected footage. By default, it is 10 minutes, however you can reduce it to a shorter period. We stick to 10 minutes and we click save. Next, we're taken to the next page where we click OK. Then at the end, we select export. Make sure you have a USB flash disk attached to the device, and your video footage will start saving to the USB.